It's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore.
Hello, welcome back to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. In this video, we are jumping right in. I am showing you the products that I will be using today. Of course, I am going to prep, dehydrate, and prime with my favorite Mia Secret products, all right? So in this video, we are going to be trying out the Speed Bubblegum Acrylic by Young Nails. And originally, the plan was to form only one nail. She did have a little length on the other nails, except for the one that has the form on it. But after I went in and applied that acrylic, okay, after the acrylic was laid, hunty, she said, okay, we need to do that for all of them, all right? So shout out to my friend for coming over, letting me film so that we can try out this acrylic, okay? So I got this acrylic from Young Nails. They had a buy one, get one sale, okay? I am using it with their liquid as well, just to make sure that everything works as intended. Definitely, you know, it's a great option to use the same brands together because they are formulated to work together, okay? So I went over to their website. They had a little sale going on. This acrylic was buy one, get one. I got the 45-gram jars, and they didn't have a picture of what it looked like. So I'm like, okay, why they selling this buy one, get one? What's wrong with it, okay? So I'm thinking it's going to be like a cover color or something. It is not a cover color. It is on the transparent side, but it worked out, okay? So if you are the kind of person who likes to do like a nude or clear base under your sets that you know you're going to paint on top of or do a design or something like that, this color was great for that, okay? She picked out a purple and lavender kind of polished look that she wanted. So it was the perfect time to use this as the base because, you know, nobody would really see it, okay? So for this first nail, I am doing what I would call like a traditional application, okay? I applied a bead kind of toward the end of the nail, then went toward the cuticle area and just filled in, you know, anywhere where I saw fit, okay? But one of the things that I like to do for my acrylic nails, I like to kind of bounce around. I like to form the tip on all of them, then go back and do the cuticle area on all of them. I like to kind of work that way, but of course you can do one nail at a time. It's completely up to you. So here you can see I'm just going in with one bead on each to get that tip on, and then I'm going to go back around and add another bead and then go back around like that, okay? So that's what I mean. So let's talk about setting, okay? So this particular powder is their Speed Bubblegum Acrylic, okay? So Young Nails, they have a Speed, they have a Core, and I believe they have something else. And basically, that is how fast the product sets, okay? So when you are trying to find a product and maybe you are a beginner, maybe you are advanced, maybe you're working on a practice hand, maybe you're working on a real person, all of these things factor into the speed that you need, okay? So for example, when you're working on a real person, they have that body heat that is going to help that chemical reaction get started, okay? So using a speed product on a person it's going to set faster than if you use a speed product on your practice hand, okay? So if you are a beginner and you're working on a practice hand and you don't want to be there all day, because I have used some slow setting products on a practice hand and it feels like you're there all day waiting for it to set, okay? But on a real person, or if the room is warm, you know, it might set a little faster. So you definitely want to think about all of those things, your skill level, whether you're on a real person or a mannequin, or the room temperature, all of that, okay? You can also pair like a fast setting monomer or a slow setting monomer. The combinations are endless, y'all, okay? So don't just run out, you know, and just buy speed and fast setting if you're not ready, okay? You can try a slow setting and add a little acetone in it to speed it up and see if you're ready, you know? So back to the application, because that's why we here, okay? So on this nail, as you saw, I went in and did the tip first. Then I went back, worked my way up to that cuticle area. Then I went in and added more at the bottom to make sure that the thickness that I needed was there, okay? So I did do all of my filing and everything in my previous video. I tried out the Melody Susie dust collector, so definitely check that video out so that you can see my prep filing and my finished filing. All right, now I'm going in with those two colors that she picked and I'm just applying those easy peasy, okay? But let me know what y'all think of this set and this speed bubblegum acrylic. I love it. I feel like I could see myself using this and just keeping this on my natural nails, just filling it in and, you know, putting a design or something on top of it. So I love it for that. It's not clear, but and it's not nude, but it's a great base, if that makes sense. So leave me some comments, like and subscribe to the channel and the video. Always remember to keep God first, family second, and everything else will get in line. And guess what time it is? It's a wrap. I will see y'all in the next video.
It's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to ItzSirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose wrong what you endorse. It's a one-stop shop, it's a wrap, yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.